When the summer sun is shining so bright, hey, hey, and your backyard needs a brand new side, there's one team you can trust to do it right. For a dream pool build to bring to light, call Merodynamic Pools, making dreams come true. Inground pools, built just for you. Very nice, family owned, our faith leads the way. A+ rating with the BBB, you can trust us every day. 3 short weeks and you're diving in. Merodynamic Pools, let the fun begin. Our unmatched experience, 5 decades to date. We are blessed to have so many that say we are great. Merodynamic Pools, built on faith, built for family, built for fun.